Hello everyone, I'm Sadharvajan from 369 Tesla here to talk about the topic uh, light reflection and refraction from class 10 NCRT CBSE physics. First of all, what is light? Light is a form of energy. The biggest source of light is sun. We we able to see things in the morning due to the light. We are able to see things at night due to the light. This light has small particles called photons. These photons helps us to see. Now reflection of light. When a light ray falls on a smooth shiny surface, the light bounces back. This bouncing back of light is called reflection. Now we can see about laws of reflection. First of all, the first law is um, the the incident ray, the reflected ray, the incident ray, the reflected ray, the normal at the point of incidence all lie at the same plane. The second law, um, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. There are Now we can talk about mirrors. Mirrors. There are three types of mirrors. There are two types of mirrors: the plane mirror, spherical mirrors. Plane mirrors, spherical mirrors has one smooth shiny surface in which the reflection takes place. The images formed on spherical mirrors are always virtual and erect and laterally inverted, and the size of the image is also same as that of the object. Now spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirrors, concave and convex. Concave mirrors are usually called as converging mirrors, and convex mirrors are usually called as diverging mirrors. In concave mirrors, the reflecting surface is uh, bent inwards, and the in convex mirror the reflecting surface bent outwards. Now we can see the rules of image formation in concave mirrors. In concave mirrors, when a light ray passes parallel to the principal axis, after reflection the right ray passes to the focus. Second rule, when um, when a light ray passes through the focus after reflection, it emerges parallel to the principal axis. Third rule, when a light ray passes through the center of curvature after reflection, it retraces its path without any change. The fourth rule, when a light ray falls on a pole, it reflects in such a way that it obeys laws of reflection. Now we can see the rules in convex mirror. When a light ray passes parallel to the principal axis after reflection, it emerges. It appears to emerge from the focus of the convex mirror. Uh, when a light ray is directed towards the focus after reflection, it appears to emerge parallel to the principal axis. When a light ray is directed towards the center of curvature after reflection, it uh, it traces it it retraces its path. Uh, when a light ray falls on the pole of the convex mirror, it reflects in such a way that it obeys laws of reflection. Now we can move to refraction. What is refraction? Refraction is when light ray enters obliquely from one medium to the another, the propagation of light changes in the second medium. This phenomenon is called refraction. Uh, Refraction takes place in lens. There are two types of lens, concave and convex lens. In convex lens are usually called as diverging lens, and convex lens are usually called as converging lens. Uh, we can see the see about rules for rules for image formation in lens. In concave lens, when a light ray passes parallel to the principal axis after refraction, emerges. It emerges. It appears to emerge from the focus. Um, when a light ray enters through the optic center, it refracts in such a way that it does not show any change in its path. Now, rules for image formation convex lens. When a light ray enters parallel to the principal axis after refraction, it passes through the focus. when a light ray passes through the optic center, it refracts in such a way that it does not show any changes in its path. Laws of refraction. Angle of incidence, the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction. The sine angle, the incident ray, the refracted ray, the incident, laws of refraction. First law, the incident ray, the refracted ray, the normal at the point of incident all lie at the same plane. Second law, the sine angle of incidence is equal to the sine angle of refraction for a given pair of light and given color of light and given pair of media. It is denoted by sin r by sin I by sin r is equal to constant. Sign convention in mirrors and lenses. All objects are measured from left to right. The light ray is passed from left to right. All distance are measured from the pole when the distance measured from the pole is from right, then the measurement is positive. When the distance measured from the pole is say on the left, then the distance measured is negative. When the distance measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis is positive. When the distance measured perpendicular below the principal axis is negative. Power of lens. The power of lens is denoted. Power of lens is reciprocal of the focal length. It is denoted. The SI unit of power of lens is diopter. While we discuss about the lens and mirrors, we need to discuss about magnification. Magnification for mirrors. Magnification of mirrors is height of the image by height of the object. It is numerically can be written as minus of v by u. Magnification of lens. Magnification of lens. It is also similar like mirror, but there is a little bit difference. Height of the image by height of the object, but v by u. Thank you.